News on the go. Dateline, Hollywood, California. An army of Hollywood producers gears up for Hollywood's never-ending campaign on leaving no property unremade. Here they are planning a gender-swapped, atheist remake of Sister Act. Go get 'em, boys! Dateline, Denver, Colorado. The year is 2011. Open Screen Night premieres at the exotic Oriental Theater. 2015. Open Screen Night fortuitously outgrows its venue at the same time it's asked to leave by the venue owners. Open Screen Night reestablishes itself in a new habitat, the Alamo Drafthouse. Open Screen Night flourishes until disaster strikes on the evening of February 23rd, 1836, when Mexican troops under the command of President General Antonio Lopez de Santa Anna attack the Alamo Drafthouse and drive Open Screen Night across town to the relative refuge of the Sea Film Center. After taking some time to recover and getting stoned and tooling around the Arts District for a while, Open Screen Night has moved on to the Bug Theater, where you and your heteronormative Trump-approved family can revel in its glory on November 15th, 2016. Be there!